สวัสดีครับผมมิกกี้ดับนะครับ Friends, Tilly Birds have finally released a brand new song, and I just know Tilly Birds is watching this video. So, hey, how you going? This was announced like 2 days ago, so I love a surprise, and I'm wearing my purple, and my chair's purple. So I couldn't be more ready for this video. So if you love Thai music, we do a lot of Thai music on my channel, so subscribe, but let's go. Also, this album's called Vivid Palace, and I just think that's like so cool for an album name. I feel a storyline. Come on, third. So is the wall like the walls you put up, you know, so you can't let anybody in, right? Like the invisible walls that you put up around you? I love the instruments in this. This is so nice. This is what I love about Tilly Birds. Are just like they're not afraid of doing different genres, right? And like I can't remember the last time I've like seen a band or a song like that's doing this in like recent memory. And this instantly makes me think of a saying. It's like life is a play. Everybody has a role, and you're the main character, right? Like that's giving main character energy. Yeah, the lyrics are so powerful. I'm like reading the lyrics. Yeah. And this part always reminds me of Queen. Like I know like Queen is like a really big inspiration for Tilly Birds, and every time this happens, I just instantly think of Queen, like these instruments and the vocals together. Huzzah. Yeah. Oh, come on. You better break through the wall. Come on, Tom. Like I love them all of these outfits. Like when they were teasing this video, I instantly felt like they almost look like prison uniforms, but they're different colors. And based on the song and the lyrics, it's kind of just like you're being imprisoned, right? Like literally like the meaning of the song, like imprisoned in a love that you don't want to be in. I just can't get over Billy in a purple and white outfit though.
ฉันแค่กลัวว่ามันอาจจะสายก่อนจะพบใครกลัวว่าใจดวงนี้จะหมดความหมายหมดความหวังไปขอแค่รู้ว่าในวันสุดท้ายข้างกายฉันมีสักคนจับมือกันเอาไว้ถ้าต้องมีหัวใจ
Yeah.
ไออุ่นของใครมันคงเหมือนน้ำว่าชีวิตนี้ไม่มีค่าเท่าไรฉันไม่ยอมถ้าต้องจบอย่างนี้หากหมดลมหายใจจะขอไม่เป็นจำเลย
Oh.
ได้มาจนอ่อนล้า
Wow.
ที่ฉันจะต้องเลิกกันมารักกันในอย่างวันที่จะตามหา
Yeah, it's so easy to get lost, like, in so many things, like, not only in love, but so many things in life, like, it's easy to, like, lose your way and get lost and things like that, and sometimes you just need to walk towards the light, you know? Like, we've all been in this position. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost like Third is the conductor in the band, or, you know, the vocal in the band. So it's almost like he's taking control of his life. Like, he's been like a clown in the shadows, and now he's actually like leading on the stage. Is this the Vivid Palace? Third's going to the Vivid Palace. Happy Land? I wonder if that's going to go into the next music video. Come on, crap, Tilly birds. Yeah. You see, thanks Bridge Management. Look, like when I saw the prelude video to this to this music video, it really gave me Ariana Grande Brighter Days Ahead, like when she puts like she thinks back into her memories and then like her memories get erased after she like views the memory. Like it really gives me Ariana. Anyway friends, come on crap, thank you so much for watching Tilly Birds, and I look forward to the many more music videos that Tilly Bird has. And you know what? We'll all be at the Vivid Palace one day, so I can't wait to see you there. And friends, comment below because I love reading your comments. But most importantly, make sure you keep smiling, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. It won't be too far away. Kapon krap, loud to get. Bye!